Hi, how are you? I'm Bob Shea. This is Dodo. Ready? Dodo's really fun to draw because he's a lot of round shapes, he's a lot of circles. Got a big circle head. That goes into a big circle nose. And then he's got a big wavy mouth. He's got a big circle eye. Right? This comes back. Circle head. Circle body. Kind of a circle. It's kind of a little flat. And then that's his tail. And then you do his little legs, because he's just a little guy. This Dodo is very, very small, so he's a little guy, so we got to give him little stumpy legs. Boink. And Dodo birds were flightless, but they still had wings. So there you go. That's all he has. They were friendly, so we'll make him waving. Hey. There you go. Now you know how to draw the Dodo bird.